If you want cleaner, more professional slides in PowerPoint, this video is going to show you exactly how to use the grid and alignment tools for precision. These features are perfect when you need your text boxes, shapes, icons, and images to line up neatly without guessing or constantly dragging objects around. By the end, you'll know how to turn on grid lines, use guides, align objects properly, distribute them evenly, and enable snap settings for faster auto alignment. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple PowerPoint tips. Let's jump in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the View tab at the top of the screen. This is where PowerPoint keeps most of its visual layout tools. Once you're in the View tab, look for the Grid Lines option and check the box to turn it on. As soon as you do that, you'll see a grid appear over your slide, which gives you a visual reference for placing objects more accurately. If you want even more control, you can also turn on guides. These are the lines that help you line up items vertically or horizontally across the slide. Guides are especially useful when you're building balanced layouts because they make it much easier to keep everything centered and aligned the same way across different elements. Now let's talk about how to use those guides. You can drag guides directly on the slide to position them wherever you need. For example, if you're placing a title, an image, and a callout box, you can use the guides to make sure all of them start or end at the same position. This helps create a much more polished design and removes the guesswork from positioning. Next, let's align objects properly. To do this, select the objects you want to line up. You can hold Control and click each item one by one to select multiple objects at the same time. Once your objects are selected, go to the Format tab, then click Align. From here, you'll see several alignment options. You can choose Align Left, Align Center, or Align Right if you want the objects to share the same horizontal position. If you need vertical alignment, you can use Align Top, Align Middle, or Align Bottom. These options are extremely useful when you want your slide to look neat, balanced, and professional without manually adjusting every single element. After that, let's look at distributing objects evenly. This is one of the most helpful features when you're working with multiple shapes, icons, or text boxes. With your objects still selected, click Align again and choose Distribute Horizontally or Distribute Vertically. This tells PowerPoint to automatically space the items out evenly between each other, which is perfect for timelines, comparison slides, process diagrams, and clean visual layouts. Now, if you want PowerPoint to do even more of the work for you, go to View, then open Grid Settings. In the settings, make sure you enable Snap Objects to Grid and Snap Objects to Other Objects. When these are turned on, your objects will automatically lock into place as you move them. That means it becomes much easier to create accurate spacing and alignment without constantly zooming in or making tiny manual adjustments. This is especially useful when you're working on slides with multiple design elements and you want everything to feel consistent. Instead of fighting with positioning, you can rely on the grid, guides, align tools, and snap options to keep your layout clean and structured. So to recap, the easiest way to get precision in PowerPoint is to turn on grid lines, use guides to build your structure, align your objects using the Align menu, distribute them evenly for balanced spacing, and enable snap settings for faster auto alignment. Once you get comfortable with these tools, your slides will look much more professional in a fraction of the time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next PowerPoint training. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.